Good morning, class. I hope all of you are good and all of you watched my previous video that was the explanation of chapter 11. Okay, so students, let's start today's classes. Okay, this is your science class, and today's date is 1st February 2021. Okay, and your chapter is chapter 11, sunlight. Chapter 11, sun, light, sunlight and shadow. This is your chapter. All whole book exercise is completed now from this chapter, and I am given only two diagrams from this chapter. Look at here everyone in your book. All of you draw now this diagram in your copy. This diagram. Okay. These are the source of light. This is natural source of light. And this diagram, that is how a shadow formed. This two diagram all of you draw now. Okay. Then after that we are completing now the remaining part of this chapter, that is question answer. I hope all of you completed now the hard words from this chapter, which was I am given now in previous class. After that, all of you write now the question answer of this chapter. Okay, then I am starting now. First question. From first question, according to your book, the first question is, what are natural source of light? Give two examples. Your heading is answer the following questions. Okay. Question number 1. Question number 1. Question is, what are natural source of light? This is first part from this question, and its second part is, give two examples. Okay, what is the answer? Anyone tell me? Students, look at here. Natural objects that give out light are called natural source of light. Natural source of light. Okay, first part is completed now. After that, give two examples. Can you all of you mention all the examples? Always remember, students, when the question is asking in two parts, first part is completed now, your first part is completed now, then you have to change now the line. Okay, You have to change now your line. And what is the examples? Example, the sun. The sun, it is the main source of light, and stars. And stars. Okay. These are the two example of light. I hope all of you done now this question. Then move to the question number 2. The question number 2 is, in your copy your work should be neat and clean, beta. Okay. Then question number 2 is, everyone write now. Question number 2, what are artificial sources of light? This is first part. And give how many examples? This question is asking about. Give 3 examples. In previous question only 2 examples. Here 3 examples. Okay. So everyone learn now more and more examples. Natural source of light, the examples are the sun, the moon and the star. Okay. What are the artificial? If this word you found now in the question, it means the things that are made by the humans. It means the things we are made by the human. Okay. It means objects. Object means things. Objects made by human. Object made by human being that give out light are called artificial sources of light. This first part is completed now, students. Then second part is give 3 examples. Examples your heading is examples. Your examples is like candle, bulb and torch. Okay. These are the 3 examples. Here B is a small, not a big. Okay. Okay. I hope all of you done now this question and all of you completed now. I hope all of you completed now, beta. What is a shadow? What are the 3 things to cast a shadow? This is your third question. What is a shadow? What is a shadow? What are the 3 what are the three things to cast a shadow? Cast a shadow. This is your question. Okay. Here all of you write now the definition also and what things are required to make a shadow. These things are you have to write now. Okay. A shadow is a dark area on a bright surface. Bright surface. It is caused by something. It is caused by something blocking a source of light. This first part is completed now. What is a shadow? It means a shadow is a dark area on a bright surface. It is caused by something blocking a source of light. After that is its second part. What are the three things to cast a shadow? The three things. This question is long now. The three things. The three is missing now. The three things to cast a shadow are, tell me students, I hope all of you tell me. First, source of light. First thing. Second is, tell me, object. And third one is, tell me, surface. Okay. This third question is completed. Okay. I hope all of you understand how to complete your work better. In your copy, your work should be neat and clean. First, all of you watch this video, how you have to complete your work. After that, everyone write now, all things. And your work should be neat and clean, beta. Understand? Each and everything is clear now. Okay? In each question, there is two parts. That's why today I am sending you only 3 questions. First, you watch my video. After that, you complete now your work. Okay? And your work should be neat and clean. In next class, we will complete now the remaining part of this chapter beta. Till then, all of you complete now your all work from this chapter. Okay, have a nice day.